Hey guys, this is Danny's review, and I'm back with a pack opening this time. I got a pre-release 5 packs from Gamers Trove down in Trinidad here in one of my local stores. First time getting a pre-release from them, so I got my 5 packs just now. A little late because of little delays at customs, but we get today. So see my name there. Aha, packed up for me as I requested, and she did it very nicely. I like this, I appreciate it. So I'll go and try to open this. Right. Yeah. Open it now. A little package in here, so okay, cool. So I have a field center. Right, I believe this is the cover card for Power the Elements. Alright. Yeah, it looks nice. I wish these field centers they give you for power for these pre-release would be a little stiffer, like a little harder. They wouldn't bend or mash up or damage so easily, but it looks very nice. Alright, and this is the 5 packs. Right. So I'm hoping to get a little secret at least. Maybe a Starlight. Trying to get Gigantic Sprite, Gigantic Elf, at least those by 2x2, hopefully. Or if not, good secrets I could sell back and try to get those cards I need. So alright, 5, starting now. Let me not stick. Hopefully I get accustomed to open these packs better than last time. Yeah boy, hands sweaty. Thirsty for these packs here. Alright. So open it from behind so you can see the cards. Right. Okay, cool. So okay, Cross Keeper. Alright. A Maze Attraction Chill Train. Digit Jamming. Sprite Gamma Boost. And the Ultra is Furnacelif of the Flourishing Hills. Okay. Sprite Carrot, Elements Meta Noise, and Ascan the Bitcoin Kuti, Element Crime. Alright. So this Ultra, not what I really want in Ultras, not what I want to see, but it's better than being a super. So pack number 2, open it from behind. Yeah, suck at opening packs. Right. Okay, cool. Sprite Smashers. Get that clear out. Oh my gosh, I done already. Expose Ultra. The most distant, deepest depths. Gadget Gamer. Digit Jamming. Maria of Average. Not the Ultra I want to see. Branded Central. Dogmatica. Sprite Red. Propaganda. Elements Sulik. Sorry if I'm butchering these names there. Okay. So 2 Ultras, that's good, but not the Ultras I want to see. Okay, give me secrets now. Make it worthwhile. Give me good secrets. Alright. Morphotronic Earphone. Morphotronic Telephone. Crawler Soma. Ravenous Vendred. Element Hero Spirit of Neos. Sprite Carrot, Rika Princess, Terrors of the Overroot, Element Crime. Not the Ultras. Oh gosh, I can give me some Element Ultras instead. Alright. Second and last pack. So opening from behind again. Okay. Life Extreme. And the Flower Buds. I ain't going to pronounce this. Vernacilf and the Flower Buds. Morphotronics Cannon. Scarved of Vendred. And Albers of Ashen. Oh my gosh. Pick Night Eagle, which seems to be printed with some kind of error on it. Wow, could feel it like a barcode. Rika Princess, Sprite Carrot, and what's going on here? All this damage, so Elements, Meta Noise. I ain't like how that looking. Well, last pack. Hope I get something here. worthwhile. Come on, give me a gigantic elf or gigantic sprite elf or sprite gigantic. Oh my gosh, maybe even like a sprite blue. Digit jamming, Microtronic earphone, branded expulsion, brilliant rose. No. Sprite carrot. Oh my gosh. And Tyrion Empress Alicia. Wow. I ain't bothering with the names of the last ones. This is my 5 packs, 2 ultras, and 3 supers. Not what I needed, not what I wanted. A bit disappointed. But you know, that's how it does go. So until next time, you know, that's my little pre-release opening there. Hopefully later on down the road I could get the cards I really want. Thanks guys for watching. If you like the video, you know, like the video, comment, subscribe if you'd like. Thanks. Danny's out here.